Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cord. Let's go to the video. 1. With a capture card. Connect PS4 to capture card via HDMI. Plug capture card into laptop via USB. Open OBS or capture software to view PS4 screen. 2. Without HDMI. Enable Remote Play on PS4. Install Remote Play app on laptop. Connect controller to laptop. Sign in and play wirelessly. Thank you guys for watching the entire of this video. For support me and my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. And now, bye bye.